In this video, you'll learn how to send USDT from MetaMask to Binance. This process involves obtaining a deposit address from Binance and then initiating a withdrawal from your MetaMask wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer your USDT to your Binance account. Start by navigating to the Binance website and logging into your account. Once you are signed in, locate the Wallet tab on the top menu. Hover over it and select Fiat and Spot from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your wallet overview where you can manage your assets. Next, find the deposit button located on the right side of the screen. Click on this button, which will direct you to a page where you can select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. In this case, type USDT in the search bar and select it from the list that appears. After that, you will need to choose the correct blockchain network for the deposit, such as Ethereum or Tron, depending on your MetaMask configuration. After selecting the blockchain network, Binance will generate a deposit address for you. Carefully copy this address by clicking on the copy icon next to it. Make sure you double check the address to avoid any mistakes, as sending USDT to the wrong address can result in a loss of funds. Once you've copied the address, you are ready to move to the next step. Now open your MetaMask wallet, make sure you are logged in and select the USDT token from your asset. Click on the send button, which will bring up a new screen where you can enter the details for your transfer. In the recipient address field, paste the deposit address you copied from Binance. Then enter the amount of USDT you wish to send. Review all the details carefully before proceeding. Once you've confirmed that everything is correct, click on the next button. You will see a summary of your transaction, including any network fees associated with the transfer. If all looks good, click confirm to initiate the withdrawal. After this, you may need to wait a few moments as the transaction processes on the blockchain. You can track the transfer by checking the transaction status in your MetaMask wallets. To ensure the transfer is successful, you should monitor the confirmations on the blockchain. Once the required number of confirmations is reached, go back to Binance and check your balance to see if the USDT has arrived. If there are any delays, keep an eye on your transaction hash, which you can use for tracking purposes. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Binance support for assistance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.